Make that clear. Okay. So I'm going to start, and here's the other thing that we're going to do. Because this building is the magnitude that it is, 3 floors, we're going to need extra fans to suck in that air and push it along so that it maintains. They're called variable air volume fans, VAV units they're called. Each of your secondary systems is going to get a fan to help boost that airflow that's coming down from the roof, through the plenum, out through the primary duct, and then it's going to get a shot of air or a shot of fan that's going to boost it the rest of the way. Okay. So we're going to start with room 102 here. And I'm going to make this a system. Now, to make it a system, this is how you do it. Please pay attention. You pick any of your ducts, or any of your diffusers. So I'm going to pick this one right here. Soon as I click on it, up here to the right, I get Create System, and it shows a little duct thing. You need to click on that. Now it's going to tell you what it's going to name it. Mechanical Supply Air 1. Just leave the name. That's fine. Well, you'll find out you can print out a chart of this stuff later. And just hit OK. And then what we're going to do is up at the top, you can see, look, here's our system right now. It only has one component in it. See it? One component. What I'm going to do is go up here to the top where it says Edit System. Click on that. And then Add to System should come up by default. All right, but if it doesn't, pick Add to System. And then pick your other diffusers that you want to put on that system. Okay? When you have them all selected, hit the check mark. Now, what should happen is anything that's now in that system should turn blue. Right? If you mouse over it, if I mouse over one of those diffusers and I hit the tab key, I'm going to see the battery limits of my system. So what it's showing me is everything that's on that system right now. Okay? I didn't hear you. No. It's just showing all the components. You'll see when I add in the VAV fan, it'll expand that to include the VAV. When you attach it to something over here, it'll expand it. So the battery limits are more or less just saying, here's everything that's on the system, component-wise. Has nothing to do with how much air it'll blow or where it'll blow or anything. Just what's included in this system. All right? Okay. So the next thing I want to do is I want to bring up mechanical equipment. I'm trying to think. I might have to go get my book. I can't remember what size fan I need. All right, I calculated it, but the way that you go and you get your fan to bring it up now, you go under Systems, the Systems tab, and we're going to go under Mechanical Equipment. You can see I have it highlighted there. Mechanical Equipment. Pick on that. Now, when you click the down arrow, somewhere in there you're going to have, oh my God, a lot of VAV fans. VAV units, parallel fan power. I think the one that we want is size 3 with an 8-inch inlet. I wish I could remember. Yeah. Size 3, 8-inch inlet. Pick that one. It's all about how much suction they have coming in for the air and how much push they have going out. But I think a size 3 for the secondary systems that we're doing is going to be fine. All right. Now, if you move over on the screen, you'll notice you don't have anything. Why? Why is it not showing it to me? Yep, somebody got this right last time too. I think it might have been the same person. The elevation is set to 0. See it right here? Well, that means it's putting that VAV unit down on the floor. We don't want that. We're going to set it at 9 foot. So just type in 9 for the elevation, hit enter, and now you should see it come up on your cursor. Okay. Zoom in here because I want to show you a couple things about this VAV fan. All right, first of all, there's your 8-inch inlet. The 8-inch inlet is on the upper left side of the picture that you're seeing, because I'm recording this. I can't point to something because I can't see you. On the bottom right side, you'll see a little outcropping. That is going to be the out. So that needs to point towards where we want the air to go. The 8-inch inlet, which is on the top left, needs to point where we want the primary duct. So how do you turn it? How do you turn things? Space bar. So you do this, watch. 1, 2. Okay, and I'm still dragging around. But now look, my 8-inch inlet is pointing towards where my primary duct is going to be. And the little outcropping in the upper left is where the duct's going to come out and go to the diffusers. So I have it oriented the right way. Now I'm just going to place it up here in the corner, like right, I don't know, I'll put it right there. Boom. Okay, place it in there. 9 foot. Why are we using 9 foot for our elevation? Well, because all of your diffusers are at 8 foot, the ceiling height, right? We want the ductwork to run above it, and then it's gonna have a flexible duct. What the heck is it called? Flex duct. That's going to turn down and go down to the diffuser. All right. But we have to add that piece of equipment to the system, right? It's not part of the system right now. So watch this. Hit your tab key, tab, pick. Go under duct systems, the duct systems tab, and then select equipment. Okay. You're not editing system. You're not adding it to the system. This is a piece of equipment. So you have to get to select equipment and then pick this VAV. Now you'll notice your battery limits change. See how they went out to encompass that piece of equipment? All right. When you're done, you're good. Hit escape. If you want to check it, mouse over the VAV and just do tab, pick. Everything should go blue.